Decision 2024. At the request of 62 Democrat lawmakers, federal monitors are in Texas to observe Election Day. However, state leaders say they are not needed and won't be allowed in polling locations. So we want to know your thoughts if poll monitors are needed. And you can let us know right now on click2vote.com. KPRC 2's Rowan Belogan joins us live to explain what we can expect from monitors if they show up and are allowed to observe. Rowan.
Yeah, Keith, Danielle, the Secretary of State's office hasn't responded to our question on whether if those monitors are in fact here tomorrow at polling locations, how the state plans to block them from observing. Meanwhile, Congresswoman Sylvia Garcia telling us today that if those poll monitors are here, it's unclear where they actually will be located.
Since posting this Click to Houston story this morning posing the question, should Harris County have federal monitors on Election Day? Plenty of you shared your thoughts in the comment section. One person simply said, yes, of course, as another person against monitors said monitors need to be sent to all states and cities, not just a handful selected by the DOJ.
Election law states that watchers are allowed in the polls. What's to prevent these federal monitors from saying they're just here being a watcher? Is that something that happens pre and folks are notified prior? If you can give me any guidance.
Well, poll watchers have to first get a certificate. They have to do an online training with the Secretary of State. So for them to walk in, they have to have the necessary credentials in order to be admitted in as a poll watcher.
So it's something they could do?
Theoretically, if they found a party or candidate that would sign it. And they'd need to do their credentials. But again, they're not supposed to be there.
How are you going to allow federal monitors into polling locations when the Secretary of State's saying they're not allowing access?
To make sure people don't confuse the federal monitors with poll watchers.
Right.
You can monitor an election from this very room. You can monitor it from the car next to the polling place. We don't know where they're going to be. I just know they're on their way.
So we don't know if they will be in polling locations specifically or just in the area in general? I
can't tell you whether they're going to be at a polling place or not. I can tell you they're going to be in Harris County and in Texas.
Yeah, the DOJ responded to us tonight saying that they are declining to comment on this story regarding our question on how they plan on monitoring election polls that the state says they aren't welcome. Reporting live, Roman Belogan, KPRC 2 News.